Galaxy Watch 4 rumors have surfaced where OS and big changes are expected. Hey, what's up? It's Anwar for TechNewLeaks. Today I'm going to talk about all new leaked rumors of Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. The Galaxy Watch 4 is on its way, less than 6 months after the Galaxy Watch 3 hit the shelves. There has been no official confirmation as yet, but when it comes to Samsung, there is rarely smoke without fire, and there is multiple plums pointing to one of the biggest hardware updates in years. It looks like we could see both Galaxy Watch 4 and Active 4 launch together as the generations finally line up. But that's not the biggest surprise. Rumors are pointing to a switch away from Tizen, Samsung's own OS that runs its smartwatches since 2016. There is no official word on when we will see the Galaxy Watch 4 or Active 4, but with the devices popping up at regulators, we could see a launch in April or May this year. Samsung smartwatches have generally been released in September, around the Unpacked event, which was when the Galaxy Watch 3 was launched. It seems made to think the Galaxy Watch 4 will come just 6 months later. However, the company does have form. The Galaxy Watch Active was launched in February 2019 and it followed up with the Galaxy Watch Active 2 in the same year. Pictures of the forthcoming smartwatches have not leaked yet, but one tipster has suggested there won't be a design change on the forthcoming devices. The account also specified that the Active 4 would not use a rotating bezel, but the Galaxy Watch 4 would retain the iconic control system. This is the real head twister. Rumors and leaks are rife that Samsung is planning to move its flagship smartwatches to Wear OS, ditching its own Tizen operating system. Samsung was a launch partner for Wear OS back in 2014, but switched to its own operating system for the Gear 2. It spent the last 5 years growing a selection of apps, watch faces, and features for Tizen, including top-end health metrics such as blood pressure, ECG, and other apps such as hand washing timers. When the first rumor landed from a Twitter tipster, we were skeptical. Why would Samsung revert away from its own OS when the benefits are less than obvious? Wear OS does not have a battery life advantage over Tizen, and its install base is smaller too. And while the Wear OS app selection is better, it's hardly worth beating. We are still not 100% clear that it's the Galaxy Watch 4 or Active 4 specifically that are set to get Wear OS or whether there will be a new range. However, it may not ending up being a total move away from Tizen. The Oppo Watch blends Wear OS and Color OS, so there could be some kind of dual layer for the new Galaxy Watch. We suspect this could be the case given new apps for blood pressure and ECG could need new approval from regulators. What do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Galaxy Watch 4 or Active 4 this month? Leave a comment down, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and thank you.